Welcome to Balochistan Pulse channel. In today's video, we are talking about New Gwadar International Airport and its significant growth in flight operations. Recently, a report from AP claimed that Gwadar Airport was not operational. However, this claim is completely false and fabricated. Let's take a deeper look at the actual developments taking place at the vital airport. Before the New Gwadar International Airport begins operations, the city of Gwadar had just 3 flights per week. But now, with the airport's commercial services officially launched, the number of flights has increased to 5 per week. Now, the new schedule includes flights from Karachi to Gwadar on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and from Gwadar to Muscat on Mondays and Fridays. This marks a significant improvement in connectivity for the region. Contrary to what was reported, the new Gwadar International Airport is fully operational. It has been serving passengers since 20 January 2025. Not only is the airport international, it is also seeing an increase in demand for flights. It is expecting further expansion soon as private airlines, including Flyjana, AirSeal, AirBlue, and Serena Air, have already applied to operate flights to Gwadar. Private airlines are showing significant interest. Thanks to the incentives provided by the airport, AirSeal, for example, has for waiving off landing, parking, and housing charges, making it an attractive destination for airlines. The new Gwadar International Airport spread over 4,300 acres in Pakistan's second largest airport, capable of accommodating aircrafts like ATR 72, Boeing B737, Airbus A380, and even the massive Boeing B747 for both domestic and international flights. New Gwadar International Airport made a grand start with the successful landing of PIA flight PK503 from Karachi, marking the official commencement of its operations. Khalid Kakar, Gwadar Airport manager, said that there is no truth to the accusation that locals have been excluded from the airport's operation.
20th न्यू गवादर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट जो कि सीपैक का एक फ्लैगशिप जो है ना प्रोजेक्ट था, वो न सिर्फ कंप्लीट हुआ बल्कि उसकी जो है ना बाकायदा से ऑपरेशनलाइजेशन का आगाज भी हो गया है। लाजमी बात है इन जो है ना प्रोजेक्ट्स के होते हुए, इन जो है सेटअप्स के होते हुए लोकल लोगों के लिए जो ना एक काउंटलेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, एक गलत तासुर है कि जब जॉब क्रिएट की जाती है तो उसका एक बाकायदा से मैकेनिज्म होता है, कोटा एलोकेशन होती है और डेफिनेटली प्रेफरेंसेस अगर यहाँ पे हमारे लोकल लोग हैं तो उनको ही दी जाती है, क्योंकि न सिर्फ वो जो है एक इंडस्ट्री को जो है ना कन्वीनियंट होता है, बल्कि वो उनको जो है ना मेन स्ट्रीम में लाने का भी एक अच्छा जरिया होता है। तो इस तासुर में मैं समझता हूँ कि कोई सदाकत नहीं है। इसकी वजह यह है कि हमारे पास ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोग जो है इस एयरपोर्ट पे बाकायदा से काम कर रहे हैं, जिनका ताल्लुक जो है ना इसी इलाके से है। मैं बलूचिस्तान के बाकी इलाकों की बात तो बाद में करूँगा, मगर अगर मैं बात करूं गवादर हो गए, मकरान डिवीजन की बात करूं तो मकरान डिवीजन के काफी जो है ना लोग यहाँ पे बाकायदा से हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं।
Every post created at New Gwadar International Airport is dedicated to the people of Balochistan. As per our regulations, it is impossible to recruit outsiders for these positions. AP should have conducted proper research and spoken to the relevant authorities before publishing such misleading information. New Gwadar International Airport is a project that will benefit Balochistan and its people, and it is disheartening to see such a vital development being misrepresented. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on Gwadar and other major developments in Pakistan.